this is a little complicated, especially those who are not good in trigonometry formulas. I'll give a trick to you. You can easily do this problem. This problem definitely takes some time. Listen carefully. Okay. They given matrix A. They given one matrix A. You are saying that I is a identity matrix of order 2. Okay. Then show that I plus A equal to I minus A into this matrix. So what I'll do first, we need to show this. I'll calculate LHS. Okay, I'll get some answer. Next, I'll calculate RHS. If LHS is same as RHS, then I can say that we shown this. Okay, so basic idea is first calculate LHS. LHS I plus A. What is I? Identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Okay, plus A. What is A? 0. They given in the matrix 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0. Right? This is the matrix A. Add these two matrices. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. 0 plus minus tan alpha by 2, that is plus of minus tan alpha by 2. Next, 0 plus tan alpha by 2. 0 plus tan alpha by 2 is what? Is tan alpha by 2. Next, 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is what? 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. So we calculated I plus A. LHS is over. Now RHS. We need to calculate RHS, right hand side part. What is right hand side part? I minus A into this. I minus A into this. Okay. Listen carefully. I minus A. You see here, this is I plus A is there, na? You just imagine minus here. You just imagine minus here. You can directly write I minus A, right? 1 minus 0. What you will get here? I minus A I am writing directly. 1 minus 0. That is 1. 0 minus tan alpha by 2. Plus tan alpha by 2, right? I am writing I minus A directly. Okay. Now 0 minus tan alpha by 2, that is minus tan alpha by 2. Minus tan alpha by 2. Okay. I minus A. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. Into now this matrix. Okay. Now we need to multiply these two matrices. This matrix, this matrix. We need to multiply these two matrices. After multiplying these two matrices, if you get this LHS, then we can say that LHS equal to RHS. Okay. First thing is we will multiply these two matrices. How to multiply the matrices? First row, first column. Okay. Take first row, first column and multiply. I do one thing. We need space for this simplification. I'll start from here. Okay, this equal to, yes, first row, first column. 1 into cos alpha plus tan alpha by 2 into sin alpha. I hope you are understanding. 1 into cos alpha plus tan alpha by 2 into sin alpha. First row, first column is over. What next? Next one is first row, second column. Multiply the corresponding elements. 1 into minus sin alpha, that is minus sin alpha, plus tan alpha by 2 into cos alpha. Okay, first row, second column is also over. Next what? Second row, first column. Second row, first column. Yes, multiply. Second row, first column. What you will get? Minus tan alpha by 2 into cos alpha plus 1 into sin alpha, that is sin alpha. Second row, first column, minus tan alpha plus sin alpha. Okay. Now, next what? Second row, second column. Second row, second column. Yes. Minus of minus. Second row, second column. Yes. Minus of minus plus. What you will get? Sin alpha into tan alpha by 2. Correct? Yes. Plus cos alpha. I hope you are understanding how to multiply the matrices. Now basic idea is I want to prove that this LHS is nothing but RHS. That means in place of this I want 1, right? And you can observe that this is same as this. This is little tricky one. Please have focus and just listen carefully. These two are same. So for simplification, what trick we will follow here? Same trick we will follow for this, because I want this value also 1, this value also 1. Look here, I want this value 1. Right? Okay. And you can see this also almost same. This plus sign alpha is there, here minus sign alpha is there. Here minus sign is there, here plus sign is there. Let's see what way we will do here. I'll tell you the trick here in what way we are going to do this problem. See, for these two elements, wherever cos alpha is there, in place of cos alpha, you have the trigonometry formula 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Wherever cos alpha is there I'll write 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Listen carefully, this is not so easy. This is the trick. You need to remember this trick, right? And in place of sin alpha, we will write 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. So that step I'll write first in these two elements. Okay, right? That equal to see, in this cos alpha is there, wherever cos alpha is there you write 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 plus, and wherever sin alpha is there, trigonometry formula is there, sin alpha is 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. Okay, so tan alpha by 2 into sin alpha formula is what? 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. Okay, same thing I'll do for this also. What I'll do, wherever cos alpha is there I'll write 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Wherever sin alpha is there I'll write 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Okay, here sin alpha is there, na? In place of sin alpha, what you will write? 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. In place of sin alpha, you write 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 into tan alpha by 2 plus, in place of cos alpha, what we will write? 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 cos square alpha by 2, 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. I hope you are understanding. As these two are same, what I did, in place of cos alpha, I written 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. In place of sin alpha, I written 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. Okay, you please observe here, tan alpha by 2 is there, na? We know that tan alpha by 2 can be written as sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. When we write like this, tan alpha by 2 as sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2, you can see here this cos alpha by 2, cos alpha by 2 will get cancelled. Here also, here tan alpha by 2 is there, na? In place of tan alpha by 2, you write sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. So what happened when I write like this cos alpha by 2, cos alpha by 2 will get cancelled. Okay. So in this way, we simplify these two elements. Now we need to simplify these two elements. For that, what is the trick? Same, what we did for these two elements, same trick we will follow to solve these two elements. Actually, what you want, if you observe this LHS, in these two places, I want minus tan alpha by 2 and tan alpha by 2. So what I'll do while simplifying these two elements, wherever cos alpha is there you write 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. In place of cos alpha, you write 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. In place of sin alpha, you write 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2, like what we written in these two elements in the same way. You observe this one. Now minus tan alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2. In place of tan alpha by 2, I can write sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. Okay, into here cos alpha is there, na? Wherever cos alpha is there you write 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1, trigonometry formula. Okay, so 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 plus, look here, what is there here? Sin alpha is there. So what is sin alpha? Sin alpha is 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2, right? So same thing you do here also. Wherever cos alpha is there you write 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Wherever sin alpha is there you write 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Okay, minus sin alpha is there. In place of this sin alpha, you write 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 plus tan alpha by 2 is there now. Tan alpha by 2 can be written as sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2 into cos alpha. Wherever you see cos alpha, there you write 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Okay, you write 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Okay, now you start simplifying this further. Let's see what we will get. Right, now you observe this first element. Okay, now here what is there? 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 plus, you see here cos alpha by 2 will get cancelled now. What is remaining here? 2 into, I'll write that 2 into sin alpha by 2 into sin alpha by 2. Sin alpha by 2 into sin alpha by 2 is what? It is sin square alpha by 2. Okay, so this is simplified, right? Now further, if we simplify, we'll get what is required. Now you observe this one, this element you observe. First, I'll write that minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 as it is, minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. This I written as it is. Now when you multiply this element with this, multiply, I'll write here, please observe carefully, sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 multiply into 2 cos square alpha by 2. You see, 1 cos alpha by 2 will get cancelled. What is remaining? 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 is remaining. So I'll write that element. I am multiplying this element with this 2 cos square alpha by 2. When we multiply, 1 cos alpha by 2 will get cancelled. What you will get? 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 you will get. Now this into 1, right? Minus is there here, that minus I'll write here. So now this is tan alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2 into 1 is what? Tan alpha by 2 into 1 is tan alpha by 2 only. So I'll write here minus tan alpha by 2. I am not writing sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2 because I need this minus tan alpha by 2. That's why I directly written minus tan alpha by 2. I need this minus tan alpha by 2. Okay. Now same procedure you follow for this element also. You multiply these two. Then what happens? This cos alpha by 2 will get cancelled. Then what you will get? You will get minus. Look here, minus is there, na? Minus 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. This is remaining. Minus, look here, minus of minus is what? Minus of minus is plus. No, this is tan alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2 into 1 is tan alpha by 2. I hope you are understanding without any confusion. Okay. Now what is remaining here? Plus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. That I'll write. Plus 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. Okay. Now you see here what is this element we are simplifying. Now what is remaining here? 2 sin alpha by 2 into sin alpha by 2. That is what? That is 2 sin square alpha by 2. Okay. Plus 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Do not worry, this problem is almost over. Okay. Now if we simplify this further, what you will get? You see, this 2 cos square alpha by 2 plus 2 sin square alpha by 2. If we take 2 common, what you will get? You will get cos square alpha by 2 plus sin square alpha by 2. In trigonometry, one formula is there. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. You see what angle is there? Same angle is there, na? So cos square alpha by 2 plus sin square alpha by 2 is what? It is 1. So here 2 into cos square alpha by 2 plus sin square alpha by 2 is 1. 2 into 1, See, this part, if I simplify, I'll get 2 into 1. What is remaining? Minus 1 is remaining. You write minus 1. Okay. Now, come back to this element. You can observe here, this minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2, both will get cancelled. If both will get cancelled, what you will get? Minus tan alpha by 2 is remaining. So you will get here minus tan alpha by 2. Now you observe this element, in this element, minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 will get cancelled. So what you will get here? Here you will get tan alpha by 2, because this element will get cancelled. Now you observe, in these two elements, if you take 2 common, what is remaining? 2 into sin square alpha by 2 plus cos square alpha by 2. That is, sin square alpha by 2 into cos square alpha by 2 is 1, minus 1. So what you will get here? This is 2 into 1 minus 1. Okay. So that is, yes, simplify this. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So you will get 1 minus tan alpha by 2. Okay. Tan alpha by 2. Here what you will get here? 2 minus 1. That is 1. So this is the RHS. See here, actually we simplified RHS. When I simplify this RHS, we got like this. Okay. What is this? This is RHS. Okay. LHS. You observe, this is LHS. This is LHS. LHS, what you got? 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 1. RHS, what you got? 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 1. LHS is same as RHS. Therefore, here I'll take it as 2. Here I taken it as 1. Yes, from 1 and 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, LHS equal to RHS. So finally conclude, what is LHS, what is RHS? Here this LHS, RHS both are there here. So therefore, right, we proved this one. For the given matrix, I plus A equal to I minus A into matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. We proved this. I hope you understand this solution. This is a little tricky one. Little bit of practice is needed. You must be good in the trigonometry formulas what we used in this, right? I hope you understand this solution.